Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell Bitcoins on Coinbase in 2026. Want to sell your Bitcoin on Coinbase quickly and safely? In today's video, I'll show you the exact steps to follow to complete the process in under 2 minutes. Let's start by following these few simple steps. Now before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. Now if you want to join the Coinbase platform, you're gonna go to the coinbase.com website and make sure you sign up or you sign in if you already have an account, or you sign up if you don't have an account already. You can create an account by logging in with your Google account or etc. entering your information just like any other account. Now once you create the account, you're gonna log into your account, and selling a Bitcoin is just like selling any cryptocurrency for cash. We're just gonna go through these steps. As you can see here, the steps are you're gonna log into your account, your Coinbase account. Then you're gonna tap the buy and sell button on the home screen. Then after that, you're gonna select sell. Now from here, you're gonna select sell. As you can see, you're gonna select this button right here. Then you're gonna scroll all the way down and you're gonna choose Bitcoin. As you can see here, it says sell Bitcoin. You're gonna choose sell Bitcoin. Now after you choose Bitcoin, you're gonna enter the amount. As you can see here, there's an option to enter the amount. You're gonna enter the amount. Then you're gonna choose the payment method. You can choose PayPal. You can choose your bank account or your cash balance, depending on your preference. Now after you choose the payment method, you're gonna preview and confirm. You're gonna tap the preview cell. Then you're gonna review the fees and final amount you receive, and if everything looks good, tap sell now. Now crypto prices move quickly, so always double check the market prices before confirming. And that's how you sell Bitcoins on Coinbase. And if this tutorial helped you, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.